Hi, I'm Mark Richmond from Chef Knives to Go. I have something I wanted to share with some of my customers. We sell a lot of knives that have wood handles, and especially during the winter when it gets cold and dry, the companies that use wood handles that aren't stabilized, if you get water on it and it dries, or if there's water in the wood, sometimes it can have little minor cracks. And I repair these pretty frequently, and just wanted to show you this because I have a couple customers where I send these little kits to them. So there's only 3 things I use to fix these. I use super glue, and then I use a little sandpaper after it dries, and then I put some wax on it and buff it up. So the idea is you just take the glue, you fill the crack, and then let it dry. And it usually takes about 20 minutes to dry, depending on how warm it is in your house and where you're doing it. And then once it dries, this is already dried and is set up, just sand off the excess. Sometimes when you fill that gap, it will seep, this crazy glue seeps in there, and you don't want to clamp it shut, you want to fill the crack. And basically you're just sanding off the top layer so that it's even with the rest of the wood. And then that looks pretty good. Then just take some, we have this handle and board wax. It's basically beeswax, and it's cut with a little mineral oil. And I stick that on there. And voila, you can't even see it here. If you do a decent job and the crack isn't that big, that will fill the crack so no water will get in there. And it also, because it cracks open, it relieves that pressure, so it usually doesn't happen again. But it's a really simple fix and easy to do. So I'm Mark Richmond. Stay sharp.